Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how easy and how much I love using these makeup face remover pads. This is from Blush Off. I've obviously got a full face of makeup on, so I'm gonna show you just how effective they are. Literally using nothing but this and a bowl of cold water. So, here we go. I'll do one half of my face so you can see. I'm just dunking it in water. Make sure you use cold water. And it's as simple as this, you guys. Guys, it even takes off mascara. I've got lash extensions on, but my bottom lashes, I had mascara on. It's just insane. I cannot recommend this product enough. Look at that. So that is it, guys. My makeup is completely off. Here's what was on my face. Now on the pad, I'll show you how you can cleanse this in a second. But guys, as a makeup artist and someone who's very environmentally conscious, I highly, highly recommend this product here from Blush Off. It is eco-friendly, there's zero waste, you're not using face wipes and cotton pads that are ending up in landfill. It's literally not using any products, there's zero chemicals, it's just using this and a bowl of water. Like, I wish I clicked onto this product much sooner. Anyway, so let's go and wash this. I'll show you how easy it is. Literally just using shampoo that you can purchase from Blush Off. So come with me. Make sure you use warm water to open up the fibers of the pad. Guys, you can also use the Shampoo Cleanser to clean your makeup brushes and sponge.